In this session, let us learn about Java HashMap. Java HashMap. In the array list chapter, you learned that arrays stores items as an order collection, and you have to access them with an index number integer type. A HashMap, however, store items in key value pairs, and you can access them by an index of another type, example a string. One object is used as a key index to the other object value. It can store different types. String keys and integer values are the same type, like string keys and string values. Create an HashMap object called capital cities that will store string keys and string values. See here, now we are creating capital cities. Add an items. The HashMap class has many useful methods. For example, to add items to it, use the put method. See, now we are using put method here. See, if you write and execute this code by using the put method, the result returns is USA, Washington DC, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, India, Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Access an item. To access a value in the HashMap, use the get methods and refer to its list. See here, see now we are using system out print in capital cities dot get method. See, the Delhi was printed. Remove an item. To remove an item, use the remove method and refer to the key. See, now we are using capital cities remove method. If you write and execute this code, capital cities remove method, see, India was removed from it. To remove all items, use the clear method. See, now we are using capital cities dot clear method. See the result, everything cleared. HashMap size. To find out how many items there are, use the size method. See, now we are using capital cities size method. See the result, 4. Loop through a HashMap. Loop through the items of a HashMap with a for each loop. Use the key set method if you only want the keys, and use the values method if you only want the values. See here, now we are using key method. For results here, the keys were printed. USA, Tamil Nadu, India, Andhra Pradesh. Now we are printing value method. By using value method, the values will be printed. See here, the capital cities dot values method. If you write and execute this code, the result returns this: Washington DC, Chennai, Delhi, Amravati. Print keys and values. Now we are using both print and keys value method. See here, print keys and values for string I, capital cities dot key set method, system dot out print key plus I plus value, capital cities dot get method. See here, if you write and execute this code, see the result printed. Both keys and values were printed. Other types. Keys and values in a HashMap are actually objects. In the example above, we used objects of the type string. Remember that string in Java is an object, not a primitive type. To use other types such as integer, you must specify an equivalent wrapper class integer. For other primitive types, use boolean for boolean, character for char, double for double, etc. Create a HashMap object called people that will store string keys and integer values. See, import the HashMap class. See here, create a HashMap object called people. Add keys and values name is. See, now if you write and execute this code, see here, the name Deepanvi age 18, name Geetashri age 12, name Gopie Krishna age 30 was printed. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 40, Java HashMap. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java hash set. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.